What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are at Shelter Island in San Diego, and we're heading on the Slayday SoCal, which is a rental boat out of here. And we're gonna be taking it out to the Coronado Islands to see if we can find some Yellowtail or anything else that can bite. Let's see what we can get. So we were fishing today with 30-pound and live sardines, but most of the time it's been anchovies. We were marking yellows all over, and we stopped at the point and we noticed a ton of birds and bait schools, so we started to focus on this area.
The wind kicking the bait.
Barracuda.
Going towards the island? Yeah. Right kind or bass?
Nah. Barracuda, I think.
Barracuda. Still fun to catch a fish.
Yeah.
Not if I cut his line.
There's another one.
Actually a decent cuda. Oh no, big calico.
Good bass. Dude, good bass, dude. That's a nice bass.
Sick, and he released him. Yeah.
Nah, yeah, but what do you got? Yeah. Another sticky. Got a stack of towel too if you want to get a grab towel back here. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It makes a world of difference. Oh, dude, if you want to keep it, throw it in the bucket, bro. Yeah. All fish. All fish are dying today. That right there is, like I said earlier, I was little tweaks like this, as much as you can for 2 minutes, okay? Just put up the dropper lead.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry, I suck. I think I just killed this guy anyway. See if he swims away at least. Probably. He's... Our chum bot. I think my
I did offshore. Yeah.
calico.
You're on, Tyler?
Yeah.
Lighter! Cuda?
I don't know. Might just be calico, I think.
You got firecracker yellow?
No. I think it's just a calico. Yeah.
Nice calico, though. Oh, what the heck?
It's not even hooked.
That was crazy looking hook.
It wasn't hooked.
It was like just wrapped around him.
Dude, the...
Yeah, baby. Let's go. Take it again. Come on. I know. I'm not listening the first time.
Yeah. I think it's just a calico though.
Let's hope not. Oh. Circle hook or Jay?
Jay. I think I missed him. This might be small.
Big old wettle, sad dog. Up front, close center.
I don't know. Boil right behind the boat.
Yeah.
This might be tiny.
We got a good school here underneath us if you want to get a fresh bait down right now. Look at some calico. Oh, I just got down.
Oh yeah, I saw. I'm gonna have like a little baby on or something. Oh, he was just charging.
Another cooter. A lot of them.
See ya. You hit it hard.
That was an aggressive step.
I set like a bass fisherman.
Largemouth fisherman, bro.
Yeah.
On the bar too, huh?
I know 15 would probably be a bit for pretty good coral.
I don't have enough braid for that.
Instead of a loop though, like a long single.
Just one freaking little barracuda right here. He's just fighting me hard. Where is he gone? I don't think he's there.
You lost him?
Yeah. Wasn't anything anyway. Oh, he's alive.
You seen anyone bend though?
He came alive.
I don't hear no one see
Oh, seal.
you. You sealed?
Almost.
If you keep hanging it there, don't get it.
Well, I got someone else's.
Somebody else's line?
That did not even fight, bro. He literally just walked it all the way in. I thought I still had just my boots. That poor live one. That live one got raked.
You get the poor man's loop on? Got him! Just like that.
It's a whitefish.
Oh,
It's a good one.
huge. Make a pair of slippers out of him. See those lobster Air Force Ones that my lobster guy did? No. Oh, that's a nice wedge.
Where did you see that at? Video of it.
Let's see.
I'll do one more. We'll get one more live one.
Dude, the live ones. That's how you get the bigger bites.
Oh, God damn it, Ryan. No. You got the glasses, the hat. You're missing them? Out there. My wrist is gone. I have no aura.
No. Your son taught you that one?
My students.
Yeah, that too. Oh, I got lines too.
Oh, that's why it feels so weird.
Score and a gopher.
Ah, there we go. See you way. Oh, you look on. See you way.
Dang it, I thought I lost the whitefish. Still got it.
Oh, big sculpin.
Oh, Jesus.
Big sculpin.
After a bit, we switched it up to some diving. We had some beginner divers, so we were diving in the shallows, and I came across a really big opali, so I decided to take this one home. Got a solid stone shot with my Ocean Ammo Reef 110. A little bit of overkill, but a solid shot on this little guy. All right, pushed out a little bit deeper on this one. Probably about 20 feet of water, and I see some reef on the bottom, so that's kind of what I'm targeting here. Take a drop down and just chilling on the way down. Not much life on this reef though. And then I see a little sheephead coming across to the right, definitely undersized. And then I'm just slowly looking around, and another one just swims right in front of me, and I get a solid stone shot. And this wasn't a giant, but he was about 15 inches. It was legal size, but it was a good deep dive for me. Good. I think he's good. Taking a drop here on a little grass ledge. Gonna try and look under to see if we can find any more sheephead. And as I'm looking under, I see something big off in the distance, and here comes a cute little harbor seal. Just kind of cruising. I feel like these guys like to play hide and seek because they'll hide and you'll go and find them. Cute little dude. This was a pretty good dive for me. Again, found a big rock and was kind of cruising the edge, hoping for some halibut, maybe some sheephead. And just looking around here, this was a huge undercut, which I'm sure if I had a flashlight, there would have been some lobster in there as well. But just looking around, chilling on the bottom, and hoping something swims by. But I'm not seeing much here. This is a pretty good dive for me. So I'm coming back up to the surface. And right as I get there, I do have my sheep head still on my gun. But I get to the top, and this seal starts charging at us. Or sea lion, actually. So he's coming, and he's being extremely aggressive. So we end up actually getting out of the water, because he's trying to come at my gun, and I'm trying to poke him away there. But this sea lion was really aggressive, and it kind of ended our dive.
Where'd my phone go? Oh, is that my phone? Especially the way.
All right, so we had a sick time on the water. No yellows, but we had a great time diving and fishing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.